What's going on, guys? Pierre Coutunet here with the Newcomer Group. I want you to check out our newest listing, 557 Sevilla Drive, located here on the shores, right on the golf course. It's a concrete block, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautifully maintained home. It's about 10 minutes from downtown and the beaches. It is pristine. Come check it out. Thank you for checking out this beautiful listing. If you have any questions or would you like to tour this home, please reach out to me. My name is Pierre. I work with the Newcomer Group and I'm excited to show it to you.